Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
One fork at a time. Descend.
Recovery mountain. Everything fails. Plan for it.
Recover. Recovery mountain. Two numbers decide everything here. RPO is how much you can lose. RTO is how long you can be down. The strategy is not a taste. The numbers choose it.
RPO hours. RTO hours. Cheap?
Backup and restore. Restore when it breaks.
RPO minutes. RTO tens of minutes.
Pilot light. The core already runs. Small.
RPO seconds. RTO minutes.
Warm standby. A live copy. Scale it up.
RPO 0. RTO 0. No downtime at all?
Multi-site active. Both live. Both serving.
4 rungs. The numbers pick the rung.
1 AZ goes dark?
Multi-AZ. Inside the region.
The whole region goes dark?
Multi-region. Copy across the map.
You only need to be able to recover.
Backup. Recoverability, not availability.
You need it available right now?
Backup alone cannot. It dies. A backup is not availability.
Backup is right. Name the protection.
One policy across every service?
AWS Backup. Central plans. One place.
Someone with credentials deletes the backups?
Cross-account copy. Vault lock. They cannot.
The region itself is the blast radius?
Cross-region copy. Somewhere else entirely.
Aurora. Cross-region. Under a minute?
Aurora Global Database. Promoted fast.
Key value. Writes in every region?
DynamoDB Global Tables. Active.
Active passive. Swing the name?
Route 53 failover. With health checks.
Static IP. Nothing to wait for?
Global Accelerator. Instant.
On-prem servers. Replicate into AWS?
DRS. Elastic Disaster Recovery.
Lift and shift. Move it for good?
MGN. Application Migration Service.
You failed over. It still did not work. Name what you forgot.
DNS. Did it point at the new place? IAM. Do the roles exist over there? KMS keys. Region bound. Did you replicate them? Secrets. Did they cross? Certificates. In the right region? Quotas. Can that region even hold the load? Artifacts. Are the images in that registry? Runbooks. Has anyone actually run this? Failback. How do you come home?
9 shadows. They are why the drill lies.
Pilot light and warm standby. Both keep something running. Pilot light is the core only. It must scale up first. Warm standby already serves. Smaller, but live. The stem says RTO in minute. Pilot light dies. The stem says cheapest that's still pre-stages. Warm standby dies.
You copied the data cross-region. What else must cross?
The keys, the roles, the certificates.
Route 53 failover needs one more thing to ever fire.
Health checks. Without them, it never fails over.
The drill passed. The real event failed. Why?
The drill never tested failback. You could not come home.
Backups exist. The restore takes 2 days. Which number did you miss?
RTO. You measured what you could lose, not how long you are down.
Failover fired. The new region threw errors.
A service quota nobody raised. It dies.
You survived. Now go count the cost.
Find, enter, prove, travel, act, coordinate, store, watch, recover, pay.
10 regions on the ring and they hand off clean.
Name the fork before you ever read the screen.
Recover is done. 10 regions on the ring.
Next region, next fork, go!